Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Guys, today was an SL day for me in Nifty mm, because I was expecting but good thing I did not short it like extremely. I shorted only little, just one quantity something. So, but if you guys see, market did open flat, and it did go up, come down, and here is where I shorted. Okay, here's where I shorted and it hit my stop loss immediately, and then I did not trade. After seeing these dojis too, I did not trade. I know these dojis mean buyers and sellers, both of them are confused. So now if you see, it's a very clear W pattern. Okay, if you see, this is a W pattern. This is a neckline. Once the neckline is broken, people tend to trade from here. Okay, so what are we going to do? It will be very simple. So we are going to wait for this. See, these are all very important supports. Okay, this is a very important, this has become a resistance now. This is a very important resistance now. Okay, it's a very important resistance, and there is a gap here, and this is a small support kind of a thing. So most probably market might become volatile tomorrow. I'm not expecting any directional moves because this is a good directional move. It has moved almost from, it has almost moved 300 and 400, 340, 350 points. Okay, so it has given a good move upside, but this is a W pattern. Okay, now this W pattern has been broken, and here it is. So tomorrow if it opens flat or if it's gap ups and then comes down, I'll be looking forward to buy it here, and my stop loss will be around 50 points somewhere, and my take profit will be at 21570. So I will be entering somewhere near 21445 and above, and my stop loss will be 21425. Okay, my take profit will be at 21570. That's for Nifty. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty still looks kind of odd. That is, W pattern is in a different angle. If you guys see, this is how we can see that. So this is a neckline. It has to break and has to move, but there are so many resistance on top, which is actually a trigger because see, market will go, come back down, market will go, this is what will happen. So I'm not planning to trade Bank Nifty at least till it crosses 45,675 and above, and on the downside I'll be only shorting it only post 44,248 and below. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look. One is this, and the second one is this. It can become volatile tomorrow, guys. It can become like this, it can go anywhere. Okay, so wait for this move to be completed, and after that trade, because I don't know, man. Market can do anything, so be cautious. Trade with small quantity. I did not trade Bank Nifty at all today. It's because if you guys see, this broke at 12 o'clock. Okay, anything on the second half has a very high potential of going on the same direction. But if you guys see, if I would have entered here anywhere, my stop loss is very big. That is the only reason I did not enter there. I can't take that big of risk on one trade. I'd rather stay quiet. Okay, next is US oil. So US oil, if you guys see in 1 hour time frame, this trend line has been broken now. Okay, this trend line has been broken, and we have entered here, and my stop loss is 50 point in this. Is just because this candle is a very strong candle, and this is a resistance. Okay, this is a resistance which has been tested thrice already, and this is a trend line. I should have entered here, but I was unavailable, so I did not enter. But now I have entered here, and my stop loss is here. That is, I've entered at $75 exactly, and my stop loss at $74.50. Okay, so that's for US oil. Next is gold. Now we are waiting on gold. Gold, this looks like this can come down and then go up, but this is a very strong resistance which is being tested third time. So if it crosses 2035 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it. I don't have any sell as of now. It's because there are too many supports. If you guys see, this is a strong support, then this is a strong support, this is a strong support, too many supports here, so I'd not recommend on selling it. Be only looking forward to buy. uh, we have 4 stocks for swing trading. Okay, so I'm back with my swing stocks. So Power Grid has very good strong candle. This is a very strong candle. Tomorrow we are expecting a good profit booking, and after that only we can expect a rally up. Till then we don't expect, but I have entered here. My stop loss is at 231. Okay, this is my stop loss at I've entered at 245. My stop loss at 231. Next is M&M, Mahindra and Mahindra. I'm already holding Tech M. Now M&M, this is the next stock. So if you guys see, this is a very good confluence. You see, this is a very good confluence. So now it has taken a support here again. Okay. So I have entered at 1624. My stop loss is at 1570. Next is Gufic Bio. Gufic Bioscience is also good. I'm expecting a small profit booking tomorrow, so I can enter this. So 340, 344, 345. If I get a price of 344, 342 somewhere, I'll be looking forward to buy this, and my stop loss will be at 320, 322. Yeah, below this. There is 322 will be my stop loss. Okay. Next is Rama Steel. Rama Steel looks good. This is on a weekly time frame. It has given a breakout on its resistance, and this is a profit booking. So tomorrow, if it had to come, it would have come here, but tomorrow if I get a price of 46 rupees to 48 rupees, I will be buying this, and my stop loss will be at 43 rupees. Okay. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got some information in this video. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. This is a this video is just for your references. This is not a tip or a recommendation. Okay, so please learn how market works and everything, and then trade. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.